Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Here I am Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 3, today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class. Our today's topic is broad questions answers from chapter 1. Today we will discuss two broad question answers from this chapter, and the name of this chapter is the natural and social environment. So let's start the class. Look, chapter 1, the natural and social environment. So broad questions, there are two broad question answer from this chapter. The first one is, how does natural environment form? So how does natural environment form? And you all know that the weather, climate, plants, what are natural, all are part of the natural environment. We are also part of the natural environment. Okay, let's read the answer. Natural environment is formed by the elements of nature. This environment includes all living beings, plants, climate and weather, natural forces and resources. Natural elements are all around us. We can see different types of plants, trees, flowers and vegetables. There are animals, birds and fishes. There are also the sun, rain, clouds, wind, rivers, mountains, sea and plain land. All these things make our natural environment. So all the things which are natural make our natural environment. There are the human beings, fishes, animals, birds, different types of trees, vegetables, flowers, etc. So all these things make our natural environment. Okay, let's read the answer again. Okay, question number 1, how does natural environment form? And the answer is, natural environment is formed by the elements of nature. This environment includes all living beings, plants, climate and weather, natural forces and resources. Natural elements are all around us. We can see different types of plants, trees, flowers and vegetables. There are animals, birds and fishes. There are also the sun, rain, clouds, wind, rivers, mountains, sea and plain land. All these things make our natural environment. So these are the elements of the natural environment: the sun, moon, rain, mountain, sea, human beings, plants, trees, flowers, vegetables, etc. That means which are made by our creator. Now we will go to the next question, question number 2. What does society mean? What does society mean? And you all know this, society means living together, right? And if you want to live in a society, you have to follow some rules and regulations to live here peacefully or to live here harmoniously. And there are some festivals. We also observe those festivals, and we live in a family, and lots of family makes a society. Okay, let's read the answer. Society means living together and observing different kinds of festivals. None can live alone, so we live together with parents, siblings and grandparents. Siblings means brother and sister. Our neighbors also live around us. All these together are called society. In society, we have to follow some rules to live peacefully. So we cannot live alone. We need to depend on each other to survive. So that's why we live together with our parents or siblings or grandparents. And there are other members in the society, that means our neighbors also live in the society. And all the things are called, all this together are called our society. And Okay, let's read the answer again. Society means living together and observing different kinds of festivals. None can live alone. So we live together with parents, siblings and grandparents. Our neighbors also live around us. All these together are called society. In society, we have to follow some rules to live peacefully. So if you want to live here peacefully, you have to follow the rules or the norms of the society. So dear students, there are two questions, broad questions from chapter 1, that means from the natural and social environment, and there is a homework for you, my dear students. This is homework number 3. This is homework number 3. I repeat, this is homework number 3, and all of you will mention the homework number while while doing the homework, and your homework will be broad question answer 2. Broad question answer 2 is what does society mean? So this question answer will be your homework. What does society mean? Broad question answer 2 is your homework. I repeat, from chapter 1, broad question answer 2 is your homework. And dear students, all of you will mention the date when you do your homework, and you will do your homework in your HW copies. You will write the HW number, and you will mention the chapter 1, then the topic, broad question, and you will also mention or you will write the date. Okay, dear students. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. Dear students, all of you will do your homework and submit it on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM, and it's very important because we are giving marks on your HW copies. So dear students, all of you will listen to your parents and do your homework. See you again. Allah Hafiz.